chapter, today you will learn about a tsunami. What you will learn about a tsunami? What is the tsunami? You have heard about the tsunami. You have read in newspaper also. Sometimes tsunami occurs, so many people die and affect in that area. So today you will know what is the tsunami. Tsunami are the series of high wave. It is the series of wave you are knowing. Water wave is coming. So series of high wave that occurs due to the undersea earthquake. That is caused due to the undersea earthquake of volcano eruption. When tsunami occurs, when undersea earthquake or volcano erupted there in under the sea, that time tsunami occurs. And it is the when there will be there earthquake will be there in undersea and volcano eruption will be there, then ultimately waves will be high. So series of high waves, yes. So it is written tsunami are a series of high waves that occurs due to the undersea earthquake of volcano eruption or volcano eruption. When a tsunami occurs, the sea water moves at a great speed and turn into a gigantic wave as it reach close to the land. As it reach close to the land. So the word tsunami means, what is the word tsunami? The word tsunami means hardware wave. The word tsunami means hardware wave. So it is clear to you all about the tsunami. What is tsunami? It is a series of high waves. High waves that cause, why it cause this high wave? Due to the undersea earthquake of volcano eruption. Understood? And when tsunami occurs, sea water move at a great speed and turn into gigantic wave as it reached close to the land. And the word tsunami means hardware waves. What is the word tsunami means? Hardware waves. So in 2004, Indonesia was hit by a tsunami. This you have heard in 2004 or you have read in the newspaper. So much effect was there in Indonesia. So in 2004, Indonesia was hit by a tsunami and it was one of the worst national calamities that killed nearly 3 lakhs people. It is the worst natural calamities. In this 3 lakhs people were killed. Understood? When it occurs in Indonesia in 2004, Indonesia was hit by a tsunami. And it was one of the worst national calamities that killed nearby 3 lakh people. And what are the effects of the tsunamis? If tsunamis will be there, some effect will be there, no? So people become homeless. People will become homeless. Transportation and communication network get adversely affected. It can result in flood that can cause loss of life and properties. Yes, when tsunami will be there, when high waves will be there, then what will be there? People will become homeless. Yes, it can result of flood. Flood can occur, and that can cause loss of. If flood will be there, it can cause loss of life and property. Loss of life and also property, and people will become homeless. Transportation and communication network get adversely affected. Flood will be there, everything will be affected. Then transportation will be also affected, communication network where telephone line, everything it will be adversely, it also affected when tsunami will be there. Understood? So you have learned about a tsunami, what is the tsunami and what are the effect of tsunami. Now one more point, you will know what is the preventive measure of the tsunami. What is the preventive measure of the tsunami? If period warning is given, evacuate from place close to the sea. Move to the higher level place like a rooftop of a house. This preventive measure you can do it. Move to the higher level places like a roof, top of houses. Top of houses. It period warning is given. Evacuate from place close to the sea. Warning is given that you can evacuate from the place where close to the sea. This preventive measure you can take. And if tsunami, we have to move to the higher roof of the house, top of the house. This prevention you can take. So what you have learned today? Today you have learned about the tsunami, effect of the tsunami and also preventive measure of the tsunami. What is the tsunami here? What you have learned about the tsunami? Tsunami are the series of high waves. It is the series of high waves that are caused due to the undersea earthquake. That is caused due to the what? Undersea earthquake of a volcano eruption. And the word tsunami means harbor waves. What is the word tsunami means? Harbor waves. Okay? When tsunami occurs, the sea water move at a great speed and turn into gigantic wave and it reaches close to the land. So you all are knowing in 2004 Indonesia was hit by a tsunami and it was one of the worst natural calamities. Why? Because 3 lakh people died. Nearby it killed, no? On that time 3 lakhs people were killed. So next is what is the effect of tsunami, that also you have learned. People become homeless. It can result in flood that can cause loss of life and properties. Transportation and communication network get adversely affected. Okay, it is clear to you all. Next one is preventive of measure. So what preventive measure you can take? Move to the high level places like rooftop of houses. If period warning is given, evacuate from places close to the sea. Okay, so today you have learned about the tsunami, effect of tsunami. I think it is clear to you all. Okay student, today this much only. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next day we will learn about other topic.